I'll just talk about my Zoom classes. They've been proving very popular over the last 18 months, and people keep saying, why should I cook with Zoom rather than real life? And I just thought maybe explain it. The reason why I'm still continuing with Zoom as well as real life classes is that it's really helpful for people to cook in their own kitchen, because I know when you come here it's great, I've got everything here, and it's a it's a bit of an experience as well as learning how to cook. But when you're in your own kitchen and you're cooking something really simple and learning knife skills and everything, you're using your own knives, you're using your own chopping board, your own pans and hob and oven. And as you'll maybe don't appreciate or appreciate, is that all ovens and hobs are made differently. They've all got their own personalities. So it's great to learn how to cook on your own equipment in your own kitchen. And if you make it in your own kitchen once, you're more likely to make it again in the future. And it just gives you confidence that you can cook it, with or without me watching you. And you can ask lots of questions. You can be as interactive as you want to be on the lesson. If you want to hide behind the screen, you can hide. If you want to join in conversation, you're more than welcome. I always say it's not just about the recipe, it's about socialisation and joining others in a common goal. And I've got to know some people very well over Zoom over the last 18 months, and it's like a little family. So it's really interesting, like on different people will come onto different classes and then go, oh, it's so and so, and it's just really nice connecting with people that have got a common goal and just want to improve their cooking ability. It is aimed at beginners, but I do add useful information in there. So even if you're not a beginner, there's always something to help you improve your cooking. So if you want to know a bit more, just get in touch, and hopefully I'll see you soon on Zoom, and look forward to meeting you.